still no income. Let's be honest, the world's moving faster than ever, and if you're not earning online by now, you're basically letting algorithms outsmart you. But here's the wild truth. People just like you are using AI tools in 2026 to create full-time income streams. From their bedrooms, cafes, even on vacation. No coding, no fancy degree, just curiosity and a laptop. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make money using AI this year, even if you're starting from zero. So grab your coffee, because we're about to turn your Wi-Fi into your paycheck. The first thing holding most people back? Their mindset. AI doesn't replace humans. It replaces humans who don't use AI. Think about it. In the early 1900s, electricity didn't destroy jobs. It created entire industries. AI is the electricity of this century. The ones who plug in will thrive. If you treat AI as your coworker, not your competition, you instantly join the top 10% of people who are ahead of the curve. Let's start with something almost anyone can do. AI-powered content creation. Creators are using ChatGPT for scripts, Midjourney for visuals, and tools like Pika Labs or Runway ML to make short-form videos. Example: someone uses ChatGPT to generate a YouTube script, Midjourney to create a thumbnail, and an AI voice from 11 Labs to narrate. They upload 5 videos a week. One goes viral, earns ad revenue, and grows their channel automatically.
Here's the golden rule. AI gives you the ideas. You give it personality. That combo builds authenticity, and authenticity sells.
Next, AI-powered freelancing. Freelancers who use AI don't just work faster, they charge more. Writers are using ChatGPT to draft blog posts in minutes. Designers use Midjourney or Firefly for concept art. Marketers use Jasper AI for sales copy. You can offer services like AI-assisted brand design or AI-optimized writing. It sounds modern, saves clients time, and doubles your income potential. Example: a Fiverr freelancer delivers 6 gigs per day instead of 2, simply by letting AI handle the grunt work. That's $300–600 a day. AI doesn't steal your job, it upgrades your speed. Here's one almost no one talks about. AI automation consulting. Businesses are drowning in repetitive tasks: emails, customer messages, reports, scheduling. You can automate all of that with tools like Zapier, Make, Integromat, or ChatGPT's API. Set up the system once, charge a few $100s, or better, a monthly maintenance fee. Example: help a real estate agent automate responses for new leads. You save them hours every week. They pay you $500 a month. 10 clients, $5,000 a month in recurring income. Teaching AI might sound intimidating, but remember, you only need to be one step ahead of someone else. Record short tutorials explaining what you've learned, how to use ChatGPT for business, how to make thumbnails with AI, anything practical. When people start watching, create a mini course on Teachable, Gumroad, or Podia. Example: a simple $29 course sells to 200 people. $5,800. All made using AI-written scripts and AI-designed slides. You don't need a studio, just value and clarity. This one's for the builders, micro AI tools. Not every millionaire made the next Google. Some built tools like AI Resume Writer or Auto Caption Generator. With no-code platforms like Glide, Bubble, or Softer, you can build simple apps powered by AI APIs. Example: an indie creator builds an AI Instagram caption maker. Charges $10 month, gets 500 users, shark $5,000 month. You don't need to code. You just need to solve one small problem better than anyone else. One bonus stream that's exploding: AI affiliate marketing. You recommend tools you already use, like ChatGPT Plus, Jasper, or Canva, and earn commissions when others sign up. Create tutorial videos like how to use Midjourney for business, drop your affiliate link, and earn passive income while you sleep. If 100 people sign up and each earns you $10, that's $1,000 a month, just for sharing what you know. AI isn't the future, it's the present. And the people winning in 2026 aren't tech geniuses. They're AI powerhouses, people who learn, adapt, and act. The question isn't, will AI take my job? The question is, will I use AI to build something better? Because whether you want freedom, income, or impact, AI is the ultimate amplifier. If this video opened your eyes, hit subscribe and join AI Powerhouse, the community where we turn AI tools into real income streams. Drop a comment below with the AI tool you're starting with today.